The secret to growing a bigger, better crop of strawberries, it starts with a little spring cleaning in the garden. Studio 5 gardening contributor Jerry Goodspeed shows us how.
We all love strawberries, but sometimes our patches over a couple years become so full and crowded that the strawberries start to get smaller and fewer. Well, that's because the plants are too crowded. So in the spring, what we like to do is go in and thin it out a little bit so that each plant has about 12 inches around it, or is about every foot we have a nice good plant. And that's pretty easy to do. Mostly, some of it is just pulling out what's there so that you can see, and just kind of thinning it out a little bit. Here you can see I've cleaned up the patch. I've ripped out some of this old stuff, and I've left 4 good plants. They're each about a foot apart, and they should have plenty of room to grow and to have the water and the sun and everything else they need.